This is RadioOnFire.com. Yours truly, Diamond K, in here, broadcasting from the Radio on Fire studios here in Baltimore, Maryland. A lot of things going on, a lot of things that I want to get to. And today's Drew Hill Park, Sunday, June the 10th, 5 to 9 p.m. at the Parks Mansion House Lawn. For ticket links or more information, visit RadioOnFire.com or Facebook.com/the-flywire to get get info on that. So sad news out of New York. A former Playboy Centerfold named Stephanie Adams tragically jumps to her death from the 25th floor of the Manhattan Hotel. And whenever you hear about somebody taking their life, committing suicide, in a something in a way like this, it definitely has to tug at your heart, and you definitely empathize with all that. But in this situation, I'm a bit conflicted because this young lady, Stephanie Adams, former Playboy Centerfold, took her life, but she also ended the life of her child. So when she jumped from the 25th floor of the Manhattan Hotel, she not only took her life, but she was holding her child. So she jumps to her death and takes her child with her. And that was a very selfish act by this lady who clearly was troubled. Clearly had something going on. And I don't know if you have had someone close to you take their life. I have. You definitely, that's not what you want to do. You're not raised to take your life. But I want to dive a little bit deeper into this situation. What could have prompted her to take her life? What could have been going on that would have caused her to do that? A lot of times people take their life because of money problems. Money problems is something. Emotional issues, maybe unable to cope with something going on in their life at that moment, and then they can't handle the pressure, so therefore they succumb to the temptation of just ending it all, right? So you have that scenario, but the scenario that it appears this young lady was dealing with is a different scenario. So her son, his name is Vincent, and they actually fell 23 floors. Her and her son, Vincent, fell 23 floors and were found on the second floor balcony 8:15 a.m. Friday morning. So the press conference that the police had said that she was involved in a heated custody dispute over the 7-year-old that she killed with her estranged husband, a Manhattan chiropractor named Charles Nicolai. So it appears that money was not the issue here. It appears that quite possibly the woman was going to lose her child to the father. He's a chiropractor. She is a former Playboy Centerfold. That does not mean that she did not have money. It was revealed that law enforcement has been called to their home several times in the last few months. Their disputes were categorized by the police as a very tough custody case that actually is the words of the former divorce attorney. So they're going through this divorce. So the lawyer is saying that she was never depressed while he knew her, and she had certain problems, but depression was not one of them. So you can see there he's not revealing too much, but saying there was something going on, but depression not one of them. Interesting. So another interesting thing about her is she was Miss November in Playboy back in 1992. Where were you in 1992? Could you legally drink? I mean, no, you couldn't. So she had also written over 25, wait for it, 25 self-help books. And then this lady takes her life and ends the life of her child. She also ran an online beauty products company. I like how they put that. Ran an online beauty products company. She could have just been on Instagram selling tummy tea, and they just boosted it up. But anyway, she also claims they're also claiming that she often managed the finances of her husband's office. She also appeared again in Playboy 2003 and worked with elite model management. 2 business degrees this woman had. So don't let them tell you that having degrees some kind of way means that you have common sense, because clearly you don't. This woman did not have to end the life of the child. If she wanted to take her life, I do not recommend it. But if that's what she wanted to do, that's what she should have done. There was no reason to end the life of the child. You can see the baby there. Sad thing. So baby not even knowing. He just wants to be with mom. Mom's holding. Mom jumps out the freaking window. Sad. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Diamond K Show, at RadioOnFire. Of course, you can check us out live or on demand if you miss any episodes live. Go to RadioOnFire.com and click shows and see any episode that you may have missed right there on the site. See you guys tomorrow.